Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make your eyes look sleepy on purpose. And these will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you want to make your eyes look sleepy on purpose, this is the video for you. I'm going to take off my glasses to give you a better idea of what my eyes are going to look like. So essentially, you have your eyes, and if you want to make them look sleepy on purpose, okay, obviously you have to use, many different factors. You're going to use your mouth, you're going to use your cheeks, you're going to use all different factors to make your eyes look sleepy. But your eyes by themselves can look sleepy, okay? So essentially what you're going to do is take your regular eye opening. So right now you have your regular eye opening. So this is what my eyes regularly look like. And to make them look sleepy, all that I have to do is I actually have to take my eyes like this, and then I'm just going to allow them to just sort of come closed a little bit, okay? That would be them being relaxed, and then we're gonna make them purposely closed even more. So basically, from where my regular eyes are, I'm just gonna make them, come closed a bit and then closed a little bit more. It's intentional, right? So you're doing this on purpose. If you're regularly tired, your eyes are gonna do that normally. But if you wanna make them look sleepy on purpose, you gotta try to close them a little bit on purpose. So regular eyes, my regular eyes, okay, the way my eyes regularly are, close them a little bit, okay, to sort of make them look a little bit relaxed and then a little bit more, okay? And then essentially what you're gonna do is you're just gonna be like, you're just sleepy, just like that. Keep a straight face, slouch down a bit, and you look super sleepy, okay? Just your eyes alone when they're like that are gonna look sleepy. It's almost like squinting, but not so much. Squinting would be a little bit more, it's a little bit less, You have my regular eye opening, okay? We have a little bit of them being relaxed, okay? We have sleepy, and then we have squinting. So those are the sort of levels. So it's a little bit less than squinting, but a little bit more than like, oh, I'm just like bored, right? So like, regular eye opening, allow them to relax, close them a little bit intentionally. And then just put on just a regular face, and you look sleepy, right? It's like you're just struggling to keep your eyes open. You're just sleepy, it just makes it look sleepy. Just like that. Super tired. That's all. And obviously pair it up with slouching and a straight face, and even put your head on a bit of an angle, and you can look really sleepy, but the eyes by themselves will allow you to look sleepy. I think there's I don't know if you're catching this in the camera, there's I don't know if there's some people doing some work behind me. I don't know, yeah, you can see them in the camera. There's only a little opening over there anyways, but I can see through my side mirror that there's people with rakes and stuff, and I don't know what they're doing. They're planting some flowers or something like that. You can only, I guess there's a big opening over there. You can see them through those openings anyways. I didn't realize that I was parked in front of a construction site, something that's happening over there. Anyways, it's all good. If you saw some people planting some stuff in the background, who cares? Ignore it. The tutorial was still great. And yeah, like I said, when I film content, there's stuff happening all around me. I can't pay attention to everything that's happening all around me. So hopefully you got a little bit of extra entertainment during through the openings over there for what they were doing. Anyways, that's how to make your eyes look sleepy on purpose. Really, really easy tutorial, easy instructions. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.